Here I go. I don't know. We might go to the library or something. I don't know. Check out a couple books. That's it. It's cute, ain't it? You know it is. I couldn't show y'all this delicately. I had to hit y'all with it because this is cute. I just did probably about a good 4-minute segment and wasn't even recording. You know what? Doesn't matter because my hair looks good, okay? Nothing and nobody, and I mean nobody, is gonna steal my joy.
Let the church say subscribe.
Hey, because hey, it's your girl Mary Kay. Come and tell you what it's like today.
Hey.
Come and tell you what it's like today. Let me get my density off to the side with pride. There you go. Here I go. Here I go. Ow! As you can see, I'm feeling this hairstyle. Now, this is a combo crochet style. Y'all know I be doing all different kind of ways when it comes to this crochet. So I will let you know what I did in a minute. But let me tell you what this is. This hair has been brought to you by Toyo Trash. And this is their Boho Island Twists. Okay? And I have 14 inches. The color that I have is ombre brown, 3 tones. How ironic. Oh, they're also called Boho Havana Twist. Maybe they didn't, they said we're going to table that. We don't really know what to call it, so we're going to put both of them up there. Boho Island Twist and Boho Havana Twist. So however you want to say it, it's fine with them. I'm assuming because they put both of them on here. Whoever's writing the description. There are 8 bundles per pack. Okay, so in one pack that you will get 8 bundles unless you choose a different size pack. Okay. Ooh, look at it from the side with pride. Ooh. So y'all know I have mini plaits in right now because that's how I'm growing my hair out. So I did a wig, a crochet wig. So 97% of this style is a whole wig, okay? The way you do it is going to depend on what the base of your hair, your foundation is looking like. Because I had mini twists, I was able to do individuals along the hairline. The way you choose to do that is your choice. I'm going to show you 2 ways, literally individual, each one, or pulling your hair back, and it's going to kind of mimic those illusion box braids that we love over here. Yeah. And then you just install the pieces just as if those are illusion box braids. Okay? If that makes sense. You're going to see it in a second. So you have some options. However, if your hair is loose right now, you can do a full wig. When it comes to, if it was like loose hair all around, I'd say, you know, you're better off doing a full wig because you can just tease the front and all that stuff. But when it's locks and twists and braids, I would do a row of 1 or 2 rows, depending on how ignorant you want to be, okay, of individual in the front. These are nice and thick, so you don't have to do anything small around your hairline, which is beautiful for the health of the edge community. And you will see that, well, you don't see because it's back over here. Oh, you'll see right here. Like, I'm not playing with y'all. You know, remember the Titans when it was like, strong side? Well, we have a strong side sometimes, too, with our hair. This is not my strong side, okay? This is my struggle side, and she has always been this way, okay? So I give her a whole lot of extra tender love and care over here, which means I didn't want to install this piece, so I just didn't. Bam. That's where we are with that.
You have that option.
Do what you need to do for your crew, okay? Your crew of follicles. Work according to your hair goals and carry on. This you can take off at night. The wig part, bam. It's done, it's over with. In the morning, slide the combs back in. Now I use the wig cap with the combs already attached. There are 3. There's one somewhere around here, and then there's one in the bike. Those are my favorite. But yeah, I just had to tell y'all what it was because I look like I'm about to go to club such and such, don't I? And ain't about to do nothing but go ahead and edit this very video that you seeing before your eyes. It's literally what I'm about to do. I'm about to wash my face, take this wig off because I'm not going anywhere. I did all this to show y'all. Keep the ones in the front, you know what I'm saying? Just in case we slide out, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. We might go to the library or something. I don't know. Check out a couple books. Other than that, that's it. I had to get, I couldn't show y'all this delicately. I had to hit y'all with it because this is cute. This is real cute. And I like this 14 inches. Now, I went through and I kind of snipped a little bit because y'all know how I feel about shape. Y'all know how I feel about shape. Okay. Y'all know how I feel about shape. Y'all know how I feel about shape. Okay. Y'all know how I feel about shape. Y'all know how I feel about shape. Okay. Y'all know how I feel about shape. Y'all know how I feel about shape. Okay. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. Y'all, I literally have nowhere to go, and I love this look. I love this look. It's looking. It's cute, ain't it? It's cute. You know it is. Look at the color combo. Let me show y'all the demo. Hold a minute, y'all.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now, I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it? Can you feel me? Can you handle it? Right? Do you want it? Don't put your love on hold. I can't take it anymore. Oh, put your love on me now. Trust me and you will see. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Give me your love, no holding back, no. We could take it to the stars where you wanna go. The things that we can do, don't need to prove you know. Honey, I got what you want. Yeah, under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me no lies, I always get mine. Don't play with me. So do you want it? Do you want it? Can you feel me? Can you feel me now? Can you handle it? Alright. So do you want it? Don't put your love on hold. I can't take it anymore. Oh, put your love on me now. Trust me and you will see. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. So don't put your love on hold. Can't feel it, I can't take it anymore. Oh, put your love on me. Trust me and you will see. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you want, got what you need now.
You said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one. Yeah, you with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargain for. Fun to flirt, but promise to deliver. what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You said you want a real one. Well, it don't get no realer than the realest one. Baby, can you handle it? If you really want it, better come get you some. But